Hello, wonderful people. My name is Betsy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I love to get inspired, so I make videos on how to live a more unique and creative life so that you can get inspired too. Today, I'm showing y'all how I DIY'd a really cool minimalist style jacket for my best friend. Hi, Kelly.
Stop it. You're just my best friend. So this is why you think that. You need to calm it down. Kick it in.
She loved it, and I hope y'all do too. So let's get into the video. The first thing I did was look at different references. I found most of my references on Pinterest, and if you're thinking about doing a project like this too, I highly suggest you look at reference as well. I know line art seems like a pretty simple thing to do, but you'd be surprised at the technique that goes into it. Oh, I really liked this one. Don't let that scare you though. It's a super fun process. I just recommend sketching it out before you get into the paint. So I opened up Procreate and I tried a bunch of different things. I was kind of just playing around, but I really liked this web, this interconnected style, how everything kind of, connects in a way. I just thought it was really cool. It's kind of funny because I'm not a minimalist. I'm actually more of a maximalist, but I was really trying to get out of my comfort zone and try this style, and I actually really, really enjoyed it. After I was done in Procreate, I got out my jacket. This one is from Kate Spade. Actually, it's from the Kate Spade outlet. It was on sale at a Kate Spade outlet, so it was originally $250, and I got it for not much at all. I was shocked. We gotta treat our BFFs like queens, ladies, so I went all out. But I began by just sketching it all out with chalk. I was looking at my reference while doing this, and I just kind of went for it. The good thing about using chalk is that if you mess up, you really can just lick your finger and rub it a little bit and it'll disappear. It's like you're using an eraser. Or you can, be a civilized person and use a wet paper towel instead. That's fine too. We all have our ways. Okay, you know what? Come to think of it, you should probably just do this. And look, it works because coronavirus! Luckily, Kelly and I pretty much spent all of quarantine together, so we Gucci, but just be safe out there. Carrying on, the next thing I did was actually use fabric markers, like fabric paint markers. I got a white one thinking that it would work, and it did not. So if you were thinking about buying one, just don't. They were also stupid expensive for a pen, so just go for paint. It's so much better, and it just ends up popping a lot more. It's probably going to be cheaper for you anyway, so highly recommend. So yeah, I just kept painting until I was satisfied with how it looked. I looked at reference when I needed and was very careful not to get too much paint on the paintbrush in case it dripped anywhere. Obviously, you can't just erase it like you could the chalk. And yeah, I just put on a podcast and painted away. It's kind of therapeutic, honestly. The last thing I did was paint over it with some Mod Podge. Just try and make sure that every part of the paint is painted over with the Mod Podge. This just makes sure that it gets set really well and that nothing will mess up. And whoever you made this for, whether it be for your friend or your family member or yourself, just tell them to spot clean. It's always better to be safe than sorry. This doesn't need to be thrown in the wash. Nothing that's really handmade probably should. So just, be careful, and I really hope they liked it. So this is how it turned out. I'm so happy with it. I think it's absolutely adorable. It's very trendy. Kelly loved it. I was so happy that I could give it to her. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you make one of these, I'd love to see it. So comment or tag or, I don't know, AOL me. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.
Chili's, baby back ribs. Wow!